We just smoked an infused joint. Now we're really fucking high.
Oh, yeah. Guess how far away from the house we are. It's over there.
The shop that we work in is there, all right? So we have a mystery engine here for a mystery cause that was dropped here. We're not gonna tell you about, but we need to get this there, and we don't have a truck, and we have this piece of plywood, and we have, what is this thing?
Pallet jack.
It's a Nissan, so it's
incredibly
unreliable.
Great.
So yeah, what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to cart this motherfucker all the way there on a gravel road with a pallet jack.
Let's quickly talk about how this bad boy got here.
Yes.
The delivery company just dropped it off and decided they couldn't go any further.
He said, I can't drive my cart over these cattle grades, even though we've had tow trucks with 2 cars on top of them drive over here, no problem. So
I guess we're carting it like a fucking half a mile down the road. See that fucking shit? Me neither.
All right, so we busted out the big green tractor. First time ever driving this thing. And we got the motor strapped up in the bucket.
Oh yeah, here we go. Farmer Noel, Farmer Aaron.
All right, so we've tractored this mystery engine, and we might as well give him the terrible, terrible news as of why we haven't posted a video on this thing in over 2 months.
We developed a rod knock.
The engine started knocking, and it kind of killed all of our motivation. And
at first, we were like, oh, that's a fucking weird noise. And then we're like, oh, that doesn't sound like a knock. And then we keep fucking running it. And then all of a sudden, it sounds like a fucking knock. God damn!
It's a goddamn terrible situation.
so we pulled the pan off, the front sump pan off, and I put my finger up in there, and it was just all metal shavings. So yeah, well, the new engine's here. Got it from that same company, JDM Dallas. It's also a JDM motor with a warranty, and hopefully this one doesn't blow up. So
And it's not a Beams.
yeah, we're going K-Series. Anyways,
Oh yeah.
don't cut the valve cover though.
No. Don't tell me what to do.
You have 2 of them, it doesn't matter.
Yeah. Except the other one I have is
So is this one.
maybe didn't. Oh yeah. Well, you fucking look at that shit. It's another
Look
goddamn
at
Beams.
that. It's another Beams. This one has more parts on it than the other one.
It does.
What's this?
I don't know.
The fuck is this?
More shit we're gonna delete, god damn it.
I'm pretty sure it has an uncut wiring harness.
Well, time to sell that shit.
Hell yeah.
I got another alternator.
Another alternator.
Damn!
In case it ever goes away. You got AC, power steering.
Fuck.
You got another header in case you want to do some things with the header.
Damn, boy, you red.
But
Well-
guess what? We're gonna take everything off of it again.
Yes.
It's fuck power steering, fuck AC,
Yeah.
fucking actual intake.
Fuck it all.
Soon!
So on next Thursday, you'll see in this video, but we're gonna wait until Thursday to pull that motor, and then we're gonna start dressing this one up. Then we're gonna take the pan off that one, and we're gonna show you guys the carnage because we don't even know what happened in there, but we think it's a crank bearing.
But we'll see.
We'll see.
It's goddamn sure a bearing.
It was making some crazy fucking noises. So,
The bearing of the cranks.
but anyways,
Cranky bearing.
this is it. This
really
is
grumpy bearing, you know?
This is the Beams number 2.
2.0.
Defeated.
2.0.
2 point, go fuck myself.
1 week later.
What's up, everybody? Back at it again, Thursday.
Yep.
This guy's hungover.
It all started when I broke my beams. I got real sad, drank a lot of alcohol, and now I feel like shit.
But now that he's hungover, we're gonna pull this engine. Alright guys, back at it again, fresh out of the time
you're
lapse.
filming me?
We got most of the stuff pulled off the engine. We have the subframe. What the fuck?
Sorry.
We have the subframe dropped and it's out of the way. Everything's disconnected. So what we're gonna do now is get the hoist in here and try to rip this sucker out. So wish us luck, guys.
My hangover feels so much better.
We just smoked an infused joint. Now we're really fucking high.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, we're gonna put you guys back on the time lapse, try to pull this thing out, and then hopefully we'll flip it upside down and see what the damage was.
This is how straight Justin is.
What my dick looks like, bro.
A sidewinder.
Yeah, boy.
Wait, that's not normal.
Oh shit. Alright guys, it's out. Check it out. She's out!
It was just in.
It was a very easy engine removal. I'm glad that we were able to make things so accessible that it just popped right out. But yeah, this is it. We're gonna get underneath of it. Right now we're putting it up on a engine stand, and then we're gonna get underneath of it and see what the carnage was. Yeah. There's no excitement in this place. All right, we have it on a stand. It was a pain in the ass. We pretty much almost dropped the L28 on the ground, which is heavier. The block is heavier than this entire engine, which is pretty crazy. But we're gonna flip it upside down and figure out what the fuck happened. So go ahead, boys.
Did I leave this in? Oh yeah. Oh god.
She's pissing.
No.
Oh yeah. Just catch it with a jug or something, dude. Oh, it's too late now. God damn it!
Yeah, wasting all that cat litter.
It was $5 a bag. Living the dream.
Living the dream.
All right, so we got the main sump off, and there's a lot of metal. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna pull the actual pan off and see what happens. So we're gonna put you on the time lapse, and then we'll bring you back when the pan's off.
Take this bad boy off.
Oh yeah. What?
I don't know. I just want to see what this motor looks like.
All right, so this was the worst. There were bolts way down in here. The Allen wrench could barely fit. There's bolts inside of the fucking oil
I
pan.
feel like just mentioning that they're Allen bolts is like fucking bad enough. Because fuck Allen heads.
Is there?
Fuck
I
Allen.
think there might be a bolt behind.
What?
No.
Yeah, look.
Wait, what is going on here?
Ah. Oh, it's hit. That's caught. Oh, I see. Watch out. There you go. Now try it, Sage.
Go for it.
Still catching.
Ah! Wait,
Oh,
there it is. Maybe. What's it
It's like
hooked up?
it's like a stud or something.
What's
I
going
think it's just
on?
glued on there, bro.
It's lifted.
There you go.
What's
It's the dipstick.
Oh, I was just like,
We gotta unbolt the dipstick, bro.
God damn it!
God damn it.
Shit!
Be back in a second.
No.
For real this time.
Farango. It looks perfectly fine. Let's put it back together.
Yeah, it's probably just.
See all that metal? All right, so we're breaking. It looks like it's a main crank bolt, which would make sense because when it was running the last time, it was making a crazy noise. I saw this crank bolt kind of not spinning perfectly center. It was kind of just like doing this, and I was like, what the fuck? So what happened was we ran the motor, and it started making this weird noise like this. Like something was rubbing.
Sounded exactly like that.
Yes. Yes. And then it sounded like metal in the fucking engine. Fuck you. Sounds like metal.
Sounded like fucking deaf people having sex. Oh yeah, crank her real
What
good.
the fuck?
Hold on there, bud. I got your back.
Thanks. Papa.
I'm gonna fucking kill you. Oh yeah, just so everybody knows that we're pretty stoned.
They couldn't tell. There's no fucking way they could tell.
Yeah, it's not like we've been smoking joints all morning.
What are joints?
Joint custody of little Aaron over here.
Are any of our fucking subscribers were like, oh, they finally took a break from the weed. They stopped fucking talking about it in their videos. But you're wrong. Jesus Christ.
Can you get this bolt out so we can stop ranting?
No.
Okay.
How do you feel about that? Motherfucker. I'm just kidding. That was me. I didn't mean
I
it.
don't want to.
He fucking meant it. He meant it. He meant it. He meant it. Go for it, Aaron.
Lay into him. Oh yeah, here we go. What the fuck is up in here? Ooh. Jesus Christ.
All right. As you can see, there are pieces of the bearing sticking out everywhere on that side.
Damn.
And the bearing is not on the cap. Which, look at that, look at the crosses. This motor looks so good.
Yeah.
Besides the fact that it spun the bearing, the insides of this motor look amazing.
Fuck bullshit.
Yeah, anyways, grab like a screwdriver, like a flathead or something. We'll pop that off.
A fat head?
A flathead, you... Oh, there it is.
There it is. Thanks.
Pop her off, dude.
Gee whiz. Ooh.
Oh, yep.
Oh my god.
Ooh, yum.
Jesus Christ. It's all fucking haggard. What happened?
Show the bottom of it.
Oof.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Oh my god, look at the heat spot.
Damn.
Dude, that's fucking crazy. How does the crank look? The crank actually looks pretty good.
Yeah, the crank looks
Yeah, it's not
like
really scored or
untouched.
anything.
Just the fucking bearing got toasted for some reason. Just get seized.
Yeah, apparently something
Like it
happened.
just got unseated or something and seized itself because it's all fucking shredded. It's crazy.
All right, well, we figured out what happened. This is probably a really easy thing to fix. All right, we're out here panning for gold out here.
Jesus.
You know,
It's a lot of fucking metal.
it's a lot of gold, boys. We'll have enough to buy all the Beams engines. Back at it again. An undisclosed amount of time later.
A long time.
We're not going to talk about it.
Oh.
Casey did a bunch of stuff on here. Show him, buddy.
What'd I do? Oh yeah, I did. I cleaned it and painted it and stuff. So we got this part of the block that's black. That's nice and silver. And this nice alternator bracket is all black now. Then
The fuel rail.
yeah, basically I painted all the ITBs and stuff. Not as meticulously as Justin did, but here we are. And they look pretty good.
Looks
so.
good. And then we got the old one over there, rest in peace.
Fuck you.
This is what it looks like. It looks really, really good. Now we're gonna try to stuff it back into this fucking thing, which is gonna be pretty hard to do with the cradle design that we did and with these mounts. We've been putting this off for a while now.
Yep.
So it's time to get back after
Here
it.
we are.
Here we are. Hope you guys didn't miss us.
Yeah, they did.
Alright, so we have the engine up on the hoist, kind of the best we can get it because we left the balancer at our friend's house, or I did. So right now what we're doing is we're taking the mounts off so we can more easily get the engine in there and get it connected to the transmission. We got to put the clutch on and then we're going to put it in, so we'll see you in a little bit. Alright guys, I'm going to say one thing. We got the engine in there, but if we were engineers, I would say that we'd probably work for Audi.
It was a pain in the ass, is what he's saying.
So what we did is we actually got the engine in the first time off of these mount brackets that we have bolted to the frame rails, and then we built the subframe around the engine, and then we attached the transmission later. So what happened was we had to drop the entire subframe out of the way in the cradle to get this to mount to the transmission. But the problem was that the mounts the mount brackets didn't have the right slots to just slide a motor in. So we had to put those slots on there. We had to like clearance a bunch of shit till we actually tighten it down. And then now it's on there.
Not to mention that when we put it in there before, we only had about 3 transmission bolts in there.
Yes.
You know how many are in there now? Like 8.
Yeah. All right, everybody, that's a wrap. Thank you guys so much for sticking with us, and sorry we took such a long break,
But we're back.
we're back.
And I don't know if we're better than ever. We have a lot of smoke in our lungs now. 'Cause it
Yeah.
kind of sucks around here, but
The world is on fire.
bye!